Hi NxtWave family, myself Mirza Shahebaaz Baig. I have recently graduated in the year 2024 from MVSR Engineering College from Information Technology branch. I've got placed through NxtWave platform, which is a great initiative, I believe. I've come to know about NxtWave through my engineering friends, but I was initially not interested to join because I have planned for higher studies. But after spending 3 months after my graduation, I've come to realize that I have to stay with my parents. So I've made a decision that I need to get a job in any software sector. Thus, I have researched online. During my research, I've come to realize that NxtWave was the best option. So I've enrolled with the demo video within the same day, and from the next Monday, I've joined the course. Have completed the fundamentals within the 2 months duration, and I've selected MERN full stack course, which is approximately about 6 to 8 months long, in which you will get placement support after the course, but this time they have provided opportunities with respect to the company needs and requirements. And my experience from the placement team NxtWave was very student friendly. I would say that they'll provide early access, early information regarding any step in the interview process. For an instance, you can take an aptitude exam, what study materials you can review or revise, every step of the placement, in the sense that interviews are conducted for every company. One good thing about NxtWave is it provides courses through online. They have a special asset for their platform, is that pause learning. I've paused my learning for almost a month. When I restart my journey, I've got opportunities based on my experience in NxtWave course, and I'm thankful for them, such that I got my first interview itself. I've joined Aggne in the month of June. I've started as a software engineer trainee. I'm very excited about my career. I'm all thankful to NxtWave family and their success coaches, initiative takers, and that's it. Thank you.